What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over how you can create your Newbies on Fire account and get started earning those 100% instant daily commissions. Now, before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload a video. Let's jump into it. Alright, so below there will be a link that will send you to a page just like this. And if you already have created your account, this video will just explain to you how you can get started. There's a lot of people, I've been following up with, they've been having questions on how to get started. So I decided to just make this video, to make it easier, a visual. So what you'll do is just come here, fill out the information, click agree to the form, the terms, sign up, and make sure you see my name right here, guys, so you can get my bonuses and everything that I have for you. Now what it's going to do is bring you to a page like this, but you will not be able to see all of this, guys, because you're not officially a member of Newbies on Fire until you actually purchase one of the levels. And we're about to go over the levels. First, you have the starter level, and if you want to know what comes with each level before you buy it, you can just click what it says to see what's included. Here it teaches you the basic, about colors, logo creation, different between branding, personal, company branding, name creation. This is the starter level. You get this so you can earn while you learn. All right. So the starter level teaches you the basic stuff. If you are totally new to online marketing, this can help you take your game to the next level. So it's a one-time fee of $25 plus a 5-time fee, a license fee, and no monthly fees on none of these, guys. So just keep in mind that all of these are one-time fees, no monthly fees whatsoever. So the next is the basic level. With the basic level, it's $100 plus a one-time $10 admin fee / license fee. It's just, able to have access to this system. And then the $100 is access to the training that you're reselling and earning 100% commissions to. And what comes with this is, how to research your competition, basics of profiling, shortcuts, a typical day, media mapping, buying habits. It just, teaches you how to find those buyers. That's what the basic level is for. And you're also eligible to earn $25 commissions if somebody comes in and buy the starter level. So you can click through all of these. I just want to go over a few of them. This video is not going to be that long. But the advanced level is $250 plus a $25 fee one time. Earn all of these. You get these for free. So whatever level you start at, the level under it you get for free. Alright, so of course the elite level is the best level to come in at because you can maximize your earnings, and those $500 commissions just feel so good once you get them. Once you wake up to them and you see them and you notice that this is instant pay and this is money that you can actually use, then you will be glad that you started the elite level. Now, all of these levels are great. All of these levels are good. All of these levels is amazing to get money coming to you at any level. But the $500 level is the quickest way to reach your goal. I don't know about you guys, but my goal is to reach $10,000 with this system, and it's possible. 2 sales a day with the elite level, guys, is $1,000. 5 days out the week, that's $5,000 for 1 week, and it's possible. It's possible. So this is the best level to come in at, the elite level, because you get all of these for free, and you're able to earn $250, $100, and $25 commissions plus $500 commissions. So I just think anybody can do this. It's easy, it's simple. You get whatever level you start at, you resell it to somebody else, which we teach you how to target people who would purchase these products, and it just makes everything so simple and easy. It's not confusing, and it's no monthly fees. So that's how you can pick the level, guys. And to actually buy, what you would do is just click buy now. I'm just gonna click on this one, and you have to pay that one-time $10 admin fee. So you pay them. All you do, click credit card, guys. So you click that, type in your email, your card number information, and you pay the $10. Once you do that, now you pay the seller. Okay, you pay the seller. All right, so it's that simple. You just pay the seller. That's all you do. You pay the admin and then you pay the seller. You go from one tab to the next, and once you're in, and let's say, okay, let's click this one, guys. Let's say you pay through Cash App, Venmo, Google Pay. You will put the tracking number here and hit close. If you don't put the tracking number here that you use for Venmo, Cash App, or any other thing other than PayPal, if you don't put it here, I won't know, or your sponsor will not know to mark you as paid. So you have to put the tracking number here. If it's anything other than PayPal, put the tracking number here and hit close. Now what that'll actually do is send a notification to me or your sponsor, and what we can do is mark you as paid. So that's also for you. If somebody pay you through Cash App or another processor, you know that they have paid you because you'll get a notification. But they have to put that tracking number, guys. They have to. So once you make your payment, like I said, if you use any other thing, put the tracking number, hit close, wait a couple seconds to be approved, and then you will be able to access everything over here in the back office. Everything over here. You got YouTube courses. You can go to your profile. You can check out your team, guys. It's just a lot of people that create accounts. You know, you have to follow up with them and see who actually is ready to get started. Email marketing is also the key. So that's basically how you get started, guys. The link will be below. Make sure you add or follow me on Instagram if you have any questions, and I will get back to you. Follow me on Instagram. We'll put my name below. I will put the link to sign up below. And if you already created an account, just follow these steps in this video and go ahead and get started so you can start earning. Okay, so all right, that's it, guys. I'm out.